everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, we have a new dance song for you. The title of the song is called Shake That by Loui and Lil Jay. Is it right? Yes, featuring Lil Jay. So let's start. Let's start. We do it 2 8s, 2 8s. So it goes like this. So 5, 6, 7, slowly, shoulder, 2, 3. So when you do this, you look like that. It's boom, boom. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, double, and punch on 5, 6, hip 7, 8. Still leaning back. 7, 8. One more time. So practice all the details. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, punch, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. Side 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5 and 5 and 6, 7, then 8. Yes. Continue side 5 on the top. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, double, punch, 6, 7, 8. Grab 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 8. Yes. Let's continue. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you punch this one first before you go 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5. Shoulder 6. Cross 7. Back on 8. Easy. So 5, 6, 7, and lean back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross, and 8. Yes. Continue from here. 1. So lean up, down. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this one is like a crown. Big crown. Okay, from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, double, and punch. 6, 7, 8. Grab 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4. Side 5 and 6. Okay, next from here, so make sure it's straight up. Down 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left. 7, 8. Yes. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left. 7, 8. Continue from 8. 1, 2. Sit on 2. Reverse on 3 and back on 4. You're gonna go 5 and 6. So for this, when you go punch up, your knee facing to your right. 5, punch to your left, your knee facing to your left. Yes. So 5, 6, 7, and cha, ha. Yes. That's right. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You're gonna go push. 7, just 8. So you can kick your shoulder. So 7 and 8. Copy? Now we do from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and yeah. Eat some. 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, and 6. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So close on 6. Again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Side on set. Same as this one. 7, 8. Yes. Let's try from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make sure you close on 6, 7, 8. Okay, next, last 2 8 or last 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go on hips on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump and 8. That's all the choreography. Yeah. So from here, 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips 6, 7, 8. Hips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Now let's try everything from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Always forget that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Yeah. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video. Okay, bye bye. So fast, right?